Here's the operator signal today. Enterprise AI is moving out of the demo layer and into the runtime layer. That sounds technical, but it is the difference between a clever agent and a system a business can actually depend on. The first signal comes from CoreWeave. On May 28th, CoreWeave announced unified agentic AI capabilities designed to close the gap between training and inference. Their stack combines serverless reinforcement learning, production inference, W and B weave observability, and autonomous improvement. The practical idea is simple. Instead of testing agents for months offline, ship them into controlled production, capture the traces, score behavior, and feed what you learn back into improvement cycles. That matters because most agents do not fail in the lab. They fail in messy real workflow, unusual requests, partial data, long tool chains, edge case permissions, and tasks that stretch across multiple systems. The runtime layer is where those failures become evidence. Tencent is pointing in the same direction from the platform side. At Tencent Cloud Day Hong Kong, Tencent Cloud rolled WorkBuddy, Miora, and TokenHub to global markets, backed by Tencent Agent Runtime. The key phrase is not another productivity tool, it is runtime. Execution engines, secure sandboxes, tool gateways, memory management, and observability for agent workloads. That is what enterprises need when agents stop answering questions and start operating inside business processes. OpenAI's Tax AI work with Thrive and Crete shows the same operating pattern in a specific professional workflow. The system uses practitioner corrections, production traces, evals, and codex-driven iteration to improve tax workflows over time. The important detail is that the loop is reviewed and measured. Expert feedback becomes structured signal, not a random chat message. Improvements are validated before reaching production. Security is also becoming a runtime problem. Google Cloud's AI threat defense packages Gemini, Wiz, CodeMender, and Mandiant into a system for identifying exposure, prioritizing risk, generating fixes, and continuously monitoring. Whether you are talking about software vulnerabilities or AI agents, the pattern is the same. Detect, prioritize, remediate, verify, and repeat. TestMu AI's KaneAI update adds one more layer. Quality engineering. The company expanded KaneAI with enhanced test authoring, advanced UI recording, recovery behavior, and hyper-execute orchestration. That may sound like a testing feature, but operationally it is about giving software teams a way to let agents create, run, repair, and scale validation workflows. Put these together and the market is telling us something important. The winning AI stack is no longer just a model, a prompt, and a UI. It is a runtime system. It needs inference that can be monitored, sandboxes that can limit blast radius, gateways that control tool access, memory that can be governed, evals that catch regression, security loops that patch fast, and quality workflows that prove the agent still works after the environment changes. Here is the operator playbook. First, do not evaluate agents only by demo output. Ask what happens after deployment. Can you see traces? Can you inspect failures? Can you replay incidents? Can you compare versions? Second, separate feedback from automatic change. Production traces and human corrections are valuable, but they should feed an improvement pipeline with evals and approval gates before anything changes in production. Third, define tool boundaries. Every agent needs a clear list of allowed systems, actions, data classes, permissions, and escalation rules. Fourth, make observability part of the first release. Track task completion, latency, cost, failure mode, human override, security event, and regression rate. Fifth, use the runtime layer to choose vendors. A flashy agent interface is easy to copy. A trustworthy operating loop is harder. My read, 2026 enterprise AI is becoming less about who has the most impressive demo and more about who can run agents as durable systems. Models create capability. Runtimes turn capability into controlled operations.